Yundian is a professional battery wire harness manufacturer, OEM/ODM, specializing in CCS solutions for energy storage and light EV batteries since 2016. With headquarters in Shenzhen and additional manufacturing in Hubei, we operate over 6,000 square meters of production space, supporting more than 1,000 product types. From signal and charging harnesses to high voltage and low voltage cables, over 300 experienced engineers and technicians run our welding, laser marking, and injection molding lines with capacity for up to 2 million components a month. From rapid prototyping to full-scale mass production, our automated production workshop is equipped with fully automatic terminal crimping and housing insertion machines, dual-head laser marking crimpers, servo-hydraulic terminal presses, ultrasonic welding machines, wire cutting and stripping units, and vertical injection molding machines. This enables precision cold crimping across all terminal specifications, single and double-end wire processing, and fully automated crimping and housing insertion, maximizing quality, efficiency, and on-time delivery for every order. Behind every product is a dedicated in-house testing laboratory, validating electrical performance, mechanical strength, corrosion resistance, and long-term durability, so every harness performs reliably in real-world conditions. Yundian is ISO 9001 certified, and our products are manufactured to IPC, WHMA-A-620 and UL standards, giving global customers the assurance and traceability they need to build with confidence. From CIBF Shenzhen to project sites around the world, we work closely with engineers and battery system developers, turning customer drawings and technical requirements into dependable, production-ready connections. Yundian, your trusted partner in battery interconnection. Let's build the future of energy together.